Welcome to Golden Software's demonstration video for Didger 5 Part 7. In this demonstration, I will be covering the compatibility of Didger and another Golden Software product, Surfer. To illustrate this functionality in Didger 5, I'm going to start by opening an example Didger project included in the Didger 5 samples folder. Use the File, Open command to open the example file botswana.pjt. Didger has the ability to create Surfer base maps using a predefined link between the two programs. For this functionality to work properly, you will need to have Surfer installed on your computer. Use the Map, Surfer, Create Base Map command, or click the Surfer icon to create a Surfer base map from your Didger project. You will be prompted with a Surfer map dialog, prompting you to specify the type of base map you would like to create in Surfer. There are two options for the type of base map that you can create from Didger. You can create a single raster base map, or you can export the individual object into a map in Surfer. If creating a single raster base map is selected, Didger will export the entire project to a raster image file and import it as a georeferenced base map in Surfer. This format will not allow you to select or edit the individual objects or layers in Surfer. If exporting individual objects is selected, Didger creates separate objects in a base map for each individual image, polyline, and polygon, and creates a separate post map with all of the point objects included in the project. Select this option to export from Didger. Click OK to export your map in Didger with individual objects. A Data Export Options dialog will appear asking you in what format you would like to export tabular data from Didger. Click OK to export the data with the default settings. Your Didger project will automatically open in Surfer. In Didger 5, you can also grid data and create Surfer maps. To do this, your dataset will have to have a data value that can be used for gridding. If you have data in the Z-level column of the Data Manager in Didger, this can be used to create a Surfer grid. In this file, the Z-level column has values of 20 for the first 9-point objects and 40 for the second 9-point objects. To grid the data in Surfer, click the Map, Surfer, Grid Data command. This will prompt you with the Grid Data dialog. This dialog provides all of the options you will need to set for the grid file you will create. You can set the gridding method, gridding options, data source, and the type of Surfer map that you would like to create. You can also specify the location where you would like to save the exported Surfer grid file. First, select the gridding method that you would like to use. For this example, I have chosen minimum curvature. In the gridding options area, you can specify options for the chosen gridding method as well as for the geometry of the exported grid file. I will not change these for the example. Set the Select Data Source to Layer and choose the layer that contains your Z-level data. For this example, the Z-level data was added to the Cities layer. Check the box next to Create Surfer Map and choose the type of map you would like to create. You can create a contour map, an image map, or a shaded relief map. For this example, I will choose to create a contour map. You can also specify the location to save the output grid file by clicking on the yellow folder icon and selecting your location to save the file. Click OK to your grid data and generate a contour map in Surfer. A new Surfer window will open, displaying a contour map of the data that you have used to create a grid file. This concludes my demonstration video featuring the compatibility features that allow Didger 5 to create maps and to open them directly in Surfer. If you are an existing Surfer user, or if you are new to Didger, this functionality makes working between the two programs very easy and efficient. This feature will help you take advantage of the advanced digitizing and georeferencing features that are available in Didger. As always, if you have any questions, please contact Golden Software.